I'm Scott Pritchard, and I'm the president of Can-Am Systems. Today, we have a fully integrated ERP solution that provides software solutions and services to the property restoration industry. The problem that exists in the industry is one of disconnected solutions. Some customers will have one accounting system, a separate job management system, a separate CRM, without any of them communicating with each other.
The more mistakes or gaps that we have in the data leads to problems that occur throughout the job process that may delay or impact the overall customer satisfaction.
What PSA does is bring together a fully integrated solution that doesn't require the user to have to be in 3 different programs. It requires the user to enter data once and to have that data flow through to all the other people in that business. The fact that they have no duplication, they have full visibility, and they become then accountable for their job. And that's really what answer the challenges that the current contractors find in the industry today.
PSA ERP is a completely integrated solution, and through our rebrand this year, allowed us to tie all of these components together into one seamless offering. With proven jobs, we have the ability to not only intake and dispatch information, but optimize the production cycle to ensure we're capturing all the critical claim details in one spot. This information can also pass to Proven OnSite, which is our customer experience app, allowing the technician to communicate seamlessly with our customer through text messaging and share feedback on their overall experience. That information will also be shared with our CRM tool, allowing our sales and marketing teams to identify not only where the business is coming from, but able to increase our sales pipeline so those jobs keep coming in. This information will then sync into our accounting platform that allows all the details from our job and CRM systems to merge directly into the accounting, better understanding our costs and revenue by division. And with our integrations for scope and estimating, you can seamlessly import those details in to create invoices and bills without having to duplicate a single keystroke. And of course, once you have all of these tools together, Proven Analytics provides a comprehensive reporting tool that allows companies to create their own dashboards, widgets, and reports to analyze and drive this information in a proactive direction moving forward for their company.
We always like to make sure that the customer is always the focus. Our support teams, training teams, sales teams are all dedicated to the personal touch to help you get the best out of the system.
We listen to our customers and we build those education building blocks together to ensure their success. It starts at implementation and it continues on throughout their use of our software.
That communication with our customer and with the industry itself helped us to point us in the right direction and make sure that we provided the most successful solution for contractors in this industry.
And our commitment as PSA is that as your business grows, you don't have to go change and look for additional solutions, as you can continue adding on the components of PSA as you see the need to provide a solution that truly will grow with your business.